What's up guys, welcome to another product review. In this video I've got a Kensington laptop stand to unbox and review. I've used it for a few days now, so I'll try to give you my honest opinion on this. We will also jump onto Amazon's website and see what sort of products are available when we search for laptop stand and how good they are, pros and cons. So stay there. Welcome back. If you haven't met before, my name is Z, and on this channel I bring you product reviews, especially tech reviews, and also bring hacks and tricks for gadgets, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's quickly unbox this and then we'll jump on to the Amazon's website. Right, so as we open it, what we get is the laptop stand and the manual. So this basically tells you how to operate it. There's a little hand measurement tool on it. If you want, you can measure your hand, and whichever color your hand falls into, you just select that color from the laptop adjustment. So as you can see, you got green, purple, red and yellow, and on the sheet you got green, purple, red, yellow. So I would personally suggest that just ignore this. It's just useless, so I'll just put this away. You just adjust the height according to your need. So whether it's green, purple, red, yellow, just whatever height suits your need, just remember that color. So in future, if you are, for example, traveling with it or something, then you know what height you used it before. Personally, I love this product, especially because it's very compact and it's very thin. You can just put it in your laptop bag along with your laptop, and you can travel with it with very ease. Okay, that's it for the unboxing. We'll quickly jump on to Amazon's website and see what sort of other options are available for laptop stand. Here we are at Amazon's website. Let's quickly search for laptop stand. Let's go through a few laptop stands over here. Let's check this one out. Okay, it looks like a good stand. Looks quite portable as well, but the thing I don't like about this is it doesn't seem to have a hand grip on the laptop near where the laptop ends. At that over here, doesn't look like it's got a hand grip. Okay, let's check some couple more out. Same problem with this Amazon basic stand. It looks quite compact, but doesn't have that hand grip where you can rest your hands. This looks like a good stand, pretty good. Actually depends what sort of thing you're looking for. Most of these stands have got similar issue, which I just said. They don't have hand grip, which is one of the important things in my opinion. Let's quickly see where our product is. Right, okay, there it is. This is the one we just reviewed. So as you can see, I'll quickly show you. It's got a little hand grip over here at the bottom where you can rest your hand, which is one of the most important thing for me. Right guys, we have done this quick comparison on Amazon's website. So personally I love this product, especially because it's super compact and super portable. And another thing which I forgot to mention earlier on was that it's got leather support on the where the laptop sits, and there is leather support at the bottom where the laptop ends, so you can put your hand on it and type away. So this is really cool thing which I thought is very I thought I should highlight it about this product. So overall, brilliant product. I can't think about cons on this, so everything is pro because I bought it. So and anyways, just to let you know that I bought this product from my own money, so I didn't get paid to review this product. Thought I mentioned that as well. So it's my honest review. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I think we had enough with all this, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care.